Are you a system integrator or an installer? Do your customers ask you to provide security to their staff and their customers and also improve the productivity of their team too? Have you ever wondered how to ensure organizations that their data has the correct security and surveillance level, along with the correct technological reliability required to meet their regulations, including the most recent ones? Think about all the different devices to choose from, to have to install and to connect to each other. A real nightmare. Save time and get rid of technical headaches with the Safety, Security and Health Suite. A fully integrated technology suite that protects every aspect of security for customers, service personnel and facilities. All data is gathered at the control center by a single operator with a simple browser. And they can manage any unexpected situation in a timely manner, coordinating the entire staff team. How does it work? With Avigilon, you have a video surveillance system developed with the latest generation of artificial intelligence that identifies dangerous or suspicious events in real time, notifying the operator. Thanks to the smart intercoms and IP sound speakers from Commend, you can manage the communication between the staff and the customers remotely, manage accesses, provide two-way information services to groups and specific areas. In case of emergency, you can also alert all customers thanks to the dedicated speakers. The communication, security, coordination and the staff localization are ensured by Motorola Solutions push-to-talk technology, radio, over cellular, and by personal body cams. Each device is perfectly interconnected thanks to the Cambium Network's wireless fabric infrastructure, which guarantees full compatibility with other technologies of the suite and a high level of connectivity for guests. All information is managed in the cloud and analyzed by an artificial intelligence software. How do you install the suite? By our specialized team, which will support you in the project and will help you to develop a tailor-made solution. Finally, you can guarantee your customers an end-to-end security ecosystem and make them feel safe. Do you want to save time and have happy customers? Request a free consultation with one of our technicians.